we are getting closer and closer to the official Samsung Unpacked event for Galaxy Note 20 lineup and some other stuff, and this is happening on August 5. Today we got some special renders for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and full specifications of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now just before digging right into the specs, let me tell you that Samsung just made the Galaxy Z Flip 5G official, and this is the first ever Samsung device to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 plus SoC, which confirms that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will also come with Snapdragon 865 plus. And now coming to the specs, then according to this leaked spec sheet, Samsung will continue to use the Exynos chips and Note 20 Ultra will have the latest Exynos 990 chipset, which is kind of disappointing thing that now it's 2020 and despite of knowing that Snapdragon chips are more powerful and faster than Samsung's own made Exynos chips, Samsung is still sticking with Exynos processors. And display size for this Note 20 Ultra confirmed is the 6.9 inches. That is absolutely a large display, like it's touching the tablets displays. And now Note 20 Ultra will have 120Hz LTPO display, which is rumored to be the best display ever. And as for the protection is concerned for displays, then it is said that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Note 20 will be coming with Gorilla Glass 7 protection. That is impressive. Now coming towards the cameras, then camera specs are almost same as of Galaxy S20 Ultra. We have that same 108 megapixel custom Samsung sensor, which might include some minor changes, minor improvements. And this time this 108 megapixel sensor won't provide you that insane 100 times zoom, because Samsung has limited it to just 50 times to improve the zoom quality. Now Samsung has also introduced laser autofocus technology in Galaxy Note 20 lineup to produce really fast and accurate focus speeds. Along with the 10 megapixel sensor, we might see a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, another 12 megapixel zoom lens, which will provide you the best quality 5 times optical zoom. And we got to know that Samsung has also added some Pro modes in the Note 20 Ultra camera, so this time you will be able to record videos in 21:9 aspect ratios even on 4K and 8K resolution. And this was all shown by Jabees promo, who posted some hands-on videos of Note 20 Ultra on his YouTube channel. Another thing that Samsung has improved is the latency rate for S Pen, and this is absolutely low, and this time it will be 9 milliseconds, just 9 milliseconds, which is almost negligible. Note 20 Ultra will have 4500 milliamps of battery that can be charged up to 50% in just 30 minutes. And if we talk about the new colors, then two new colors have been introduced for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and these are Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. Now Samsung will also be applying this Mystic Bronze color to their upcoming Galaxy Watch 3 and Samsung Buds that are actually in bean shape, and we have already seen this Mystic Bronze in recently launched Galaxy Z Flip 5G, and this Mystic Bronze color actually looks really mind-blowing. And Samsung would also introduce some more colors, but for now these two are confirmed. And this another teaser reveals gaming controls and buttons, as you can see, and this is actually a partnership with Xbox. Samsung is bringing cloud gaming with Microsoft to the Note 20 Ultra, and a lot of Xbox games you will be able to play on Note 20 Ultra and Note 20 maybe. And that's all for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Anything remaining will be now confirmed on Samsung Unpacked event, which is scheduled for August 5. It ends up here. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.